Christmas is being celebrated worldwide with much pomp, gaiety and devotion, with markets and churches glittering and households preparing special dishes for the day. Across the world, Christians began marking Christmas with services, with Pope Francis holding midnight mass at the Vatican. Thousands of tourists and devout arrived in the holy city of Bethlehem, the West Bank town where it is believed that Jesus was born, for prayers and other Christmas celebrations. Christmas marks the annual commemoration of the birth of Jesus Christ and is celebrated across the world on the 25th of December. Celebrations across the globe are marked by cakes, candles, Christmas trees, exchange of gifts and the young and old singing carols. In India, the festival is celebrated with great zeal and enthusiasm. And Yogesh Sheetal joins us from Goa, and we also have with us Shyama Mishra from Mumbai to give us details about the celebrations as they are going on today on Christmas Day. First, we go across to Goa, where we have with us our correspondent Yogesh. Yogesh, tell us how Goans are celebrating this festival. There's a predominant Christian community there, and the churches there make this state absolutely picturesque. So what can you tell us about the celebrations this year round? What is special?
Yeah, Merry Christmas, Rukma, and also to our viewers. This time I'm in the oldest church of Goa, Panjim Church. You can see the decorations over here. There are some idols that have been made in. Also, other preparations and decorations are made on different layers. Especially when we talk about Christmas, Christmas in Goa is one of the most important festivals, which is celebrated with a lot of enthusiasm, and people from all community, not only Christian or Catholic, all community join celebrate the festival. Large number of tourists have arrived here to celebrate the festivals, and the beaches are decorated, houses are decorated from the traditional flavor. We have some tourists over here. They have come here and enjoying the celebration and also the birth of Jesus. You just tell me how you are celebrating the festival.
Yeah, actually we 5 of us have come all the way from Pune to celebrate Christmas, especially in Goa, as Christmas holds a special place. Goa being the most the tourist hub for this exact place, and we ourselves are the tourist professional right from this industry, so we know how important Goa it is for this tourism industry itself.
So what's the plan, what's the day plan for you?
Just nothing, just explore the city, just go around, visit the important sightseeing places and just visit the beach, enjoy ourselves.
So people are enjoying basically in Goa, and definitely the festivity are everywhere in the air, so they are enjoying the festivity. Yes.
Right, Yogesh, we'll be back with you. Stay with us. We also have with us Shyama Mishra from Mumbai. Shyama, well, we all know Mumbai is a place where almost all festivals are celebrated with great fervor by all communities. Today it's Christmas. How is Mumbai marking the occasion?
Right, Rukma, adding to that line of yours, that Mumbai, when Mumbai celebrates any of the festival, it is definitely celebrated with much enthusiasm and fervor. Here also, when I'm standing here at St. Michael's Church in Mahim, it is popularly known as the Mahim Church. Here also, see the decoration, the Christmas tree, which is the symbol of Christmas celebrations, is built up here and decorated in a very traditional manner. Also, the entire church, not just the interiors but the exteriors, the outer portion was also was decorated in all the lights. It was drenched in light. When you see it in the night, you'll understand what's the decoration like. But coming to the festivities here, since morning, we are here around at 6:30, and since that time, people are coming out, and they are coming in all traditional dresses. The ladies are all decked up in their one pieces, and the guys are also coming in their three-piece suits and suit and boots. So definitely it is a view that you have to look out for. And also the prayers are performed here, and till 10:30 it was performed, and now people would be going back to their houses. They have prepared delicacies. The plum cake, as you must be knowing, it is an important part of the entire festivity. So plum cake, people would be eating that, and many of the sweets. Here also, Rukma, one more interesting thing, that after the entire prayer and everything was performed, the church, they distributed plum cakes, in which we also had a chance to have one of the pieces of plum cakes, and definitely it was very tasty. So people now coming together, getting together with their family members, with their relatives, and the entire message when we spoke to people is coming out from them that they want to start their day with the blessings of Lord Jesus, and remember his teachings, his sacrifices, and they have a message that be peace on earth. And also you should be an important part of Christmas is also helping out to the poor, that the needy people who are there outside the churches, people are donating food, people are giving them money. So in this manner also they are trying to take the goodwill of the needy. So the entire Christmas would be celebrated in this manner, that getting together with family, having a fun time,
the
and
festive
also at the
spirit
same time,
there,
remembering the peace message and helping the poor.
Right, the festive spirit clearly seen there in Mumbai, and as well as in Goa, as our correspondents Yogesh and Shyama are just reporting. Thank you very much, both of you, for joining us there.